So how you can start having $500 to $2,000 a day. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly, no bluff, no bullshit, straight to the point, how to have results in 3 steps with affiliate marketing, especially if you're a newbie, if you're watching this video, and if you want to get results. By results, I mean $500 to $2,000 days promoting different affiliate marketing offers. So the first thing you need is the profitable niche. In this case, we are going to choose make money online, financial niche, right? Why? Because everyone wants to make extra money online. Everyone wants to look for side hustle, for passive income, right? Everywhere in the world. So this is a huge niche with a huge opportunity, right? So let's say we choose BizUp, right? BizUp niche, business opportunity niche, right? So in this case, we have, let's say, option to target lots of people who are looking to make money online, earn passive income, make extra income. So what is the niche, right? The niche is really huge. Why? Because we can target people especially by the interest. So what is the interest? Could be MLM, right? Network marketing people, right? Who are in that niche, that space. Then can be, for example, work from home. And then another one could be, let's say, stay-at-home moms, right? Stay-at-home moms. So this is the niche, right? Niche. Great, we have the niche. Now what is the traffic source? Could be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube ads, right? Many different options. So in this case, we are going to choose Google Ads, right? So Google Ads is what? Is traffic source, right? So this is our traffic source. Now, important thing, why Google Ads? I chose Google Ads every single day. Why? Because with Google, we can target people who are already looking for the problem or the solutions they want to solve, right? So if they're looking for exact product in the exact same time that they're having the problem, our ad is going to appear in the same time. So in this way, we can collect leads in the same time when the person is basically looking for the solutions to their problems, right? So if someone is looking to make extra $500 per day, your ad is going to appear, or your opt-in page, your landing page is going to appear in that exact same time. And if your landing page is structured, right, structured up correctly, of course, you'll be able to get the leads, you'll be able to convert the lead into the sale, and then follow up with the autoresponder email sequence. So this is how it works, right? 3 steps: niche, traffic source, sale, right? So sale. Now, important thing is choose the affiliate offer or the system that's going to pay you huge commissions, high ticket commissions, right? If you're a newbie, high ticket, right? So high ticket, let's say $500, right? To let's say $2,000 per sale, 100% commissions in the same day. Why? Because that way you can build up your actual marketing budget. You see, many affiliates are struggling on Clickbank because they don't have enough money to run ads, right? If you are struggling to make $200, $300 per day payments on Google Ads, of course, you're not going to be able to scale to $10,000 per month. So what I would suggest you as you're watching this video right now is to have someone to guide you and mentor you through step by step so that you can choose the right affiliate program, the system which is already done for you. So you're not wasting your time and energy, right? And money creating something that doesn't work, that doesn't convert to sales. So you have something, right, that produce sales on this side. You have someone to guide you through step by step along the way. And then here you have something that converts to sale, Google Ads, for example, email, solo ads, right? So this is what we are using, right? I'm also giving you as my bonus, right, with this traffic source, I'm also giving you VIP bonus, which is basically bonus buyers clicks. So you get 250 clicks, buyers clicks, sent straight to your affiliate link, right? So you're gonna send traffic to your link, then convert to sales. And of course, you're also getting bonus done for you email module templates, which are proven to close $8,000 to $10,000 sales. So these emails are really, really working well. And you get my organic social media formula, right? Which you can also apply to generate those $2,000 per day commissions. Because the system that I'm going to show you after watching this video, the system is paying up to $2,350 per sale commission. And the important thing is you're not wasting time, you're getting paid instant commissions in the same day, right? You're getting 100% commissions in the same day straight to your bank account. So this is the beauty, you see, this is the beauty of this system, because you get paid in the same day and you can utilize that by using the money, using the commissions, and reinvest into the marketing, right? So that's the beauty of this system. If you're watching this video right now and you're wondering, how can I get results as a newbie, right? I'm telling you this, if you have a little bit time and some money, let's say from $500 to $2,500 on the side, then this system is going to work really well for you. Why? Because look, if, for example, I'm getting paid, let's say over here, right, $2,350 per sale, okay, instantly, right? And let's say that I'm sending, let's say 200 clicks, people, buyers to my affiliate link, right? And let's say that 199 people do nothing. They do nothing, zero. They don't buy, then they just click, right? Only one person click and buy, one sale. What happens? I earn $2,350 earned profit, right? And how much did I spend? Let's say that for one sale, to acquire one sale, I spent, let's say, $80 US. Or let's say even $140 US to acquire the sale using Google Ads. How much have I made? I made profit over $2,100. Over $2,200, right? In case that you are earning, as you can see over here, $2,350 per sale. So the choice is yours, right? Do you want to make money online? Do you want to have someone to guide you through step by step and show you the ropes exactly how it's done? And be part of the community, group of people who are supporting each other every single day. Then what you can do is, after watching this video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can click the link below this video where you can personally reach out to me and just say to me, show me the money. Show me the money. I'm going to show you the link exactly to the page, to the system, to the website that's doing the work for us, right? So it's passive income, pay daily, commissions paid straight to your Stripe account or wire transfer or Bitcoin, whatever you want, whatever method you want to use, right? But the important thing to understand is this: you need to have the system that's going to pay you daily and enough big margins so that you can take home profits. If you're only promoting $50 per sale Clickbank products, great. But if you don't have enough money to invest and reinvest, then I would suggest you to go with this, because you can build a huge marketing budget and start earning $10,000 or $20,000 per month. Because imagine this, if you're getting $2,300 per sale, it doesn't take long time, right? It doesn't take a rocket science to make $10,000 per month with 4 sales per month. So choice is yours. Reach out to me after watching this video and see you in the next time when you are on the other side having results with our system.